Amazing viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. If this is your first time, please do well to subscribe to my channel and as well share my videos, and don't forget to like it if you do love the video. Okay, so today I'll be showing to you the best app that you can mine Bitcoin and the best app that you can get airdrop. Okay, so all you just need to do, make sure you have a network connection and you go to your Play Store and download this amazing app. Okay, I've downloaded mine already. This is the app, which is called Satoshi. Okay, Satoshi is the first mining app. This is where BTC was mined before going to exchange market. Okay, this is where BTC was mined before going to exchange market. So all you just need to do is just download this app. The signing process is very simple. Okay, sign up on your own and start looking for an airdrop so that you can join whatever is going on. Okay, so all you just need to do, and in this app as well, building your own team is as well important. Okay, you can share your referral links for your friends to sign up. Okay, like under at the descriptive section of this very video, I'm going to drop my own referral link so that you can use it to sign up and as well join my team. Okay, you can see what I have secured so far on this place. You can see my BTC 0.000184, which will be withdrawable in the nearest time. You can see at the top right hand side here, you can see airdrop time. So an airdrop will be coming soon, and when it comes, all you just need to do is to join and participate. Okay, is to just participate on the project, and whenever it's in the exchange market, all you just need to do, you sell it and get your fund. Okay, this is very simple. So whenever an airdrop is dropped, you will see it here, this participate in zero project airdrop. You will see it here, and all you just need to do is to click on to participate. Okay, if you're looking for your team, this is where you see your team. If you have recruited anybody, this is where you see your team, and don't forget, those your team will also get 50k coin. Okay, so this one is registered, this one is registered, this one is as well registered. Okay, this is me. You go to me, this is where you see some of your details. If you want to edit your personal information, the language or any other thing here, or you want to download the app, you can as well do it here. Okay, you can see on my asset here, on your asset here, you see whatever you have secured there. On my asset there is 0.00184 BTC. Okay, it has to get to 0.002 for me to be able to withdraw, or 0.001 for me to be able to transfer it. Okay, so all you just need to do is to join now, start mining, and also start following up for an airdrop. Okay, this is the best place you can get an airdrop. Okay, so thank you so much. Let this video not be too long, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.